The iceberg. Why is this so good right now? Hey, it's Lauren from Hot for Food. Welcome back. I'm gonna show you how to make something quick, easy, and delicious today. It is sweet soy tofu lettuce cups, inspired by something I just wanted to eat today. Literally made it right now because I was craving iceberg lettuce, which is super weird. I must be dehydrated. Sometimes you just want iceberg lettuce, but I thought, eating a salad of iceberg lettuce wouldn't be very fun. So I made this, and I think it's so delicious that I want to share it with you, and I hope you like it. So here's how to make it. You're gonna cut your iceberg lettuce in half, and from this you can peel the outer layers a little bit and get the inner sort of halves to make these lettuce cups. I made 6. You could double this recipe if you want to make more. We're gonna shred some carrot. Now put all these things in a little bowl because you can put this on a tray or a platter at the end. You want thinly sliced red onion, and then a very generous handful of cilantro leaves. I also like adding chopped pickled ginger. I like this brand here. It's white sushi ginger. Now over a pan over about medium-high heat, you're gonna add some vegetable oil and then crumble up half a brick of firm tofu into sort of small to medium-sized chunks. You're gonna fry this for about 6 minutes to get it golden brown and crispy, tossing only about once. While that's frying, you can make this quick sweet soy sauce for the tofu. So it's this sweet soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon of regular soy sauce, a tablespoon of seasoned rice vinegar, minced garlic, and then any kind of hot sauce. I used chili garlic sauce. You can make it hotter or milder. I just did 1 teaspoon. So once the tofu's golden brown and crispy, you can add all of the sauce. Just give it a toss to coat the tofu in the sauce, and then just give it another 7 or so, 8 minutes till it gets nice and sticky and darker. Put this into a dish and then add chopped roasted salted peanuts on top, and then lay all of this out onto a platter or a tray, and it's ready to serve. So you can just make your lettuce cups with the tofu and all of the toppings. This of course is customizable as you wish, but these are the things that I like on it. You could also add cucumber, Thai basil. If I had Thai basil, I would add that on there as well, but I gotta grow that in my garden. I don't have that right now. Okay, my mouth has been watering, waiting to eat this. Nice and crunchy and fresh and sweet and salty and saucy. Mmm! This is just my actual lunch right now. You have to watch me eat this whole lettuce cup. Now personally, this recipe, I could say, serves 2-3 lettuce cups each, but if you're really hungry, like I am right now, I can eat this whole thing. Half a brick of tofu, no problem. That's like 1 serving. And then it's all just watery vegetables. I know it's weird and like so vegan, but I could just eat this lettuce like this. Iceberg is actually like kind of sweet. Maybe that also sounds weird. I have a recipe for creamy carrot ginger dressing, like that Japanese salad dressing, on my member blog. And like I would just roll up lettuce like this and then dip it in there and eat it. I wish I had that right now. That would actually be good on this. I made a Japanese wedge salad for my members. So if you want that recipe, you gotta sign up to be a member to eat it by Hot for Food. That's my members only blog. On there is probably like somewhere around 75 recipes that aren't available anywhere else. And that Japanese wedge salad is a good one. I wanna eat this. You know you're vegan when. I mean, it's just so tasty. It's iceberg lettuce. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I've put the recipe for these sweet soy tofu lettuce cups on hotforfoodblog.com, the free blog. Lots of recipes over there. Most of the ones on this channel are over on the blog, of course. I hope you make this. I hope you love it. If you're a tofu hater or you're a tofu skeptic, this will change your mind. This tofu is delicious. Tofu is one of my favorite foods. It even was before I was vegetarian or vegan. Get my cookbooks if you want to support Hot for Food. I have 2 cookbooks, Vegan Comfort Classics and Hot for Food All Day. I also have a bunch of ebooks. Everything's linked below, so if you're new here, check all that stuff out. If you're an OG here, thank you for sticking around. I am back frequently here on this channel with brand new recipes, so I will see you next time. Bye.